There's a faucet in your house. It's been dripping. Not flooding, not breaking everything at once, just a steady drip. At first it annoys you. You hear it at night. You tell yourself, I'll get to it. Then something happens. You stop hearing it. Not because it stopped, but because you get used to it. That's how it starts. Not with destruction, with tolerance. But here's the truth most people ignore. That drip is costing you every single day. It's raising your water bill, wearing down your pipes, weakening the system behind the walls. And you don't see the damage until it becomes expensive. That's not just about a faucet. That's your life. That's the conversation you are avoiding. That's the habit you keep excusing. That's the relationship that's slowly declining. That's the standard you're quietly lowering. It's not dramatic. It's consistent. And consistency, good or bad, compounds. Hear it. Consistency, good or bad, compounds. Let's make it plain this morning. It's expensive to not fix the leak. It costs you peace. It costs you money. It costs you time. It costs you self-respect. But the most dangerous cost, you start learning to live with less than you deserve. You start telling yourself it's not that bad. I can deal with it. I'll fix it later. And later turns into months. Months turn into what? Years. And now dysfunction feels normal. Let me push you a little. Some of you don't have big problems. You have small problems you refuse to address early. And now they've grown roots. Fixing the leak isn't complicated. It just requires attention, effort, discipline. Calling the plumber, tightening the seals, replacing the part. Doing the thing you've been putting off. And yeah, it takes time. It might cost something up front, but ignoring it costs more every time. So here's the work for today. Where is the drip in your life? Be honest. Where have you been tolerating something that needs to be addressed? A habit, a standard, a relationship, your health, your finances? Stop negotiating with it. Fix it. Not permanently, but intentionally. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because the life you want cannot be built on slow leaks. You don't deserve a life that's quietly draining you. You deserve stability, peace, alignment. But that only comes when you handle things early. Fix the leak before it becomes damage. If this spoke to you, share my voice. This is Dr. Batts with that morning medicine. It may sting a little bit. Sometimes it stings. Sometimes it even burns. But surely, if you digest it, if you sit with it, it will do what medicine does, and that's heals. I'll see you tomorrow.